Lovely.
Around to the other side. The other side fell out.
Shit.
We can pop her in there real quick.
All right. Good morning, everybody. Well, the day has finally arrived. I know you guys have been so patient. The moment that we've kind of been building up to is about to happen. I know we've had a little bit of time away from here, but we are now back and rocking. We are ready to lift this bus. Oh my God, I'm so excited. Nerve-wracking, but exciting. We have made a lot of plans. We've gone over things multiple times, and we are just ready to cut and lift this roof. Like, that thing is gonna be like up here. It's gonna be wicked. Stay tuned, guys. It's gonna be exciting. I don't want to miss this. Oh, guys, I know it's been a little while, so appreciate you sticking around. Let's get elemental. We got caught in a really nasty windstorm. We had some tornado warnings here in Ontario, and while we were welding these jacks, you can see that there, yeah, while we were welding these jacks on, we got hit pretty hard with that rainstorm. And I mean, like, this massive tarp that is on top of the bus literally got ripped off the roof. So I was up on top of the roof, albeit probably not the smartest idea, but yeah, I was on top of that roof in the middle of a thunderstorm, hail, pouring rain. I think it was going sideways at one point. Well, I want to say I'm surprised it's raining, but I'm not really. Anyways, we got this section cut out here, so now it's just a matter of cutting our posts, and we're ready to lift this bad boy. This is what we got going on here with our jacks. So we're a 2x6 with 2x4s stacked on top here, and that's gonna actually rest underneath this flat lip here. And we should be good to go. Not gonna lie, I'm nervous. I think I'm more nervous and just making sure that we do this safely and no one gets hurt and the roof doesn't go anywhere except up. All right, here we go, guys. We're pretty much ready. Oh man, that's getting cold. Up, up, and away!
We're going up 14 more inches.
And you already can't touch the ceiling.
Touch the ceiling now. We got over a foot to go.
Hey, overall, what would you say? This going pretty smooth, eh?
This is going very smoothly so far. I hate saying that.
Well, knock on wood. All right, 14 more inches, folks. Here we go. So the lift went so smoothly. I'm super stoked about that. We killed it today. And our customer has an extra 30 inches on the inside now. So time to close in the new roof height to the old roof. We gotta finish doing some welding for all the main supports, and then we can start figuring out where these windows are going, and should be well on to the races. Thank you so much for following along. Thank you for being patient while we planned out this lift that just went so beautifully. And I hope you guys really enjoyed watching that. So stay tuned, we got plenty more coming, and you guys are gonna start seeing some real progress here before we take a break for the winter. So, you guys are amazing, much love, and don't forget to check us out, Instagram, Facebook, elementscanadaco.com, or check us out online at elementscanadaco. Send us an email, info@elementscanadaco.com as well. We got lots of services. We have lots of services available. We have a CNC machine. We're able to plane slabs. We can prep wood for you, or we can build something custom just for you. So thank you guys so much. Have a wonderful evening, and until next time. I'm the owner of Elements Canada Co, and I just want to say thank you so much for stopping by our YouTube channel where we get a little bit elemental. elementscanadaco.com, we do have some merch available. We are still taking on custom orders. Feel free to give us a shout and we'll be able to get a quote out to you. If you click over here, you'll be able to see the series that we've put together for our 36-foot school bus conversion into a tiny home. And if you click down below or just over here, you'll be able to subscribe to our channel. Again, thank you so much for stopping by. Please subscribe. And find us on Instagram, Facebook, Elements Canada Co, or online at elementscanadaco.com. All the best, and thank you, thank you, thank you.